स्वागत है स्टूडेंट्स आपका हमारे चैनल पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ क्लास फिफ्थ की जो स्टेप इनटू इंग्लिश है उसका नेक्स्ट लेसन का सॉल्यूशन। लेसन नंबर 7 द फ्लावर्स विश, मतलब होता है फूल की इच्छा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं लेटेस्ट एक्सप्लोर से। शुरू में ही प्रश्न दिया हुआ है, हंसा पिक सम नाइट जैस्मिन फ्लावर, सजेस्ट हर वेयर सी कैन यूज़ दिस फ्लावर। आंसर लिखेंगे, हंसा कैन यूज़ नाइट जैस्मिन फ्लावर फॉर मेकिंग garlands or bouquet for decoration, placing them in a bowl of water and to freshen up a room with their fragrance, extracting their fragrance for perfume and essential oil, offering them in religious ceremonies or prayers. Okay, now if flower could speak, what would be the opinion about the use listed above? Now if a flower could speak, the opinion would about the use listed above might be, the flower might express contentment with being used for decoration, fragrance or offering, as these use appreciate its beauty and scent. However, it might also express desire to be left on the plant to complete its natural life cycle, emphasizing the importance of its role in nature before being plucked. ठीक है, फिर स्टूडेंट्स एक पोइम है जिसको आप देख सकते हैं। ठीक है, फिर लेट अस लर्न न्यू वर्ड्स, और हमें एक सेंटेंस भी बनाना है उस वर्ड्स का मीनिंग देखकर। वूवन, पास्ट पार्टिसिपेट ऑफ वीव। सेंटेंस क्या बनेगा, द इंट्रिकेट tapestry was beautifully woven with colorful threads, jewels, precious stone or ornaments. She adorned herself with exquisite jewels for the grand ball. Garland, a wreath of flower or leaves worn on the head or hung as a decoration. The bride wore a delicate flower garland in her hair. Next, a tomb, a large vault or underground, typically one, and burying the dead. The ancient pair of tomb was discovered filled with treasure. Pluck, to take hold of something or quickly remove it from the place. He decided to pluck a fresh rose from the garden. Next, gardener, a person who cultivate or tend a garden as a pastime or a profession. A gardener carefully pruned the rose bushes. Next, gentle, having or showing a mild kind or tender temperament or character. The mother spoke in a gentle voice to soothe her child. Next, what do you understand from the poem? Write few lines. The poem expresses a flower desire not to be used for adornment or luxury, but rather to be sacrificed for motherland, its brave soldiers. It highlights the flower wish to be placed on the path where heroes walk, symbolized respect and honor for those who have died for their country. Based on the poem, create some dialogue between gardener and flower. देखिए ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, नेक्स्ट देखेंगे, फ्लावर्स गार्डनर, I do not wish to be woven into jewel or garden, nor to rest upon the king's tomb. Gardener, oh, then what your wish, little flower? Flower, pluck me with a gentle hand and cast me on a path where brave men stand, where heroes walk to our life for the motherland. Gardener, ah, understand now. You wish to be part of the noble cause. Yes, for I wish to be part of something greater, a tribute to those who bled for our nation. Gardener, I understand now. Noble flower, you wish shall be granted. Thank you, gardener. This is my greatest desire. Next, how do you grow your plant? Write their steps. Steps of for planting. First, select seed. Second, prepare soil. Third, sow seed. Fourth, watering. Fifth, sunlight. Sixth, fertilize. Seventh, protect from pest and disease. it regular care. Fourth है, what do you wish to be become when you grow up? Why? I wish to become a doctor when I grow up because I want to help people and contribute to their well-being by providing medical care and support. Next, do you know flower and floor sound the same? There are more words, different spelling, but sound the same. Can you make them pair? Two, two, two. Here, here. See, see. Sun, sun. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट चैटर चैम्प है. हमें नीचे सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. देखिए, I wish to complete my homework to get full marks. I wish to vegetable might taste like chocolate. I wish to be a leader. I wish I had a pillow that could turn off my alarm clock. I wish money could grow on the tree. Then Dhawan and Mayuri. Now write and plan below and draw picture of the picnic day. पिकनिक पे जा रहे हैं तो उसके बारे में हमें नीचे लिखना है, प्लान के बारे में. On Sunday we will first go to the beautiful park. Next we will find a nice spot and I lay down on our mat. Then we will make delicious sandwich to enjoy. After eating we will play a fun game of badminton. Finally we will pack up and come back home by evening full of happy memories. ये उसका पिक्चर हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये था हमारा पूरा सॉल्यूशन क्लास 5th का चैप्टर नंबर 7th द फ्लावर्स वीक्स का. आशा करता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ में आया होगा. इसमें मैंने सारी क्वेश्चंस को कवर किया है और आपको समझाने की कोशिश की है क्वेश्चंस के बारे में. और स्टूडेंट्स साथ ही मैं आपको बता दूँ हमारे चैनल पर आपके सभी सब्जेक्ट्स के सॉल्यूशंस उपलब्ध हैं. अगर आप नहीं देखें ज़रूर देखें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.